In this question, we have to add two fractions, one of which is negative, which is our negative 2/9, and one of which is positive, or 5/6. So before we start this problem, it's kind of worthwhile to think about just how big is 2/9 and how big is 5/6. So 2/9, 2 is a much smaller part of 9 than 5 is of 6. So if that's our negative value and that's our positive value, the answer to this question should be a positive number. So let's keep that in mind. So let's start by looking for a common denominator for 9 and 6. So starting with 9, let's list up a couple of values. Got 9, 18, and 27. Starting with 6, I've got 6, 12, and 18. So you see my common denominator for this is going to be 18. So to get from 9 to 18, I need to multiply by 2. So I'm going to take negative 2 over 9 and multiply the top and bottom of that fraction by 2. I'm then going to take my 5 over 6 and multiply the top and bottom of that by 3. So that's going to give me negative 4 over 18 plus 15 over 18. So if I take negative 4 and add 15, that'll give me a positive 11 over 18. 11 is a prime number, so we can't reduce it. And also we can see that it corresponds to the answer of C right here.